Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your diffuser. First, select a suitable location for your diffuser, ensuring it's on a stable, flat surface. Keep it away from direct sunlight and drafts to maintain its effectiveness. Always make sure the device is unplugged before you begin adding any liquids. Using clean, cool tap water or distilled water is best for optimal performance and longevity of your diffuser. Now, let's add the water and essential oils. Carefully remove the diffuser's cover and fill the water reservoir. Be sure to fill it only to the indicated maximum fill line, which is usually around 100 to 200 milliliters. Then, add about 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil directly into the water. Remember, less is often more, and you can always add more later. With the water and oils in place, it's time to power on. Securely replace the diffuser's cover, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, plug the power adapter into a standard wall outlet and then connect the other end to your diffuser. Press the power button to begin diffusing. Many diffusers offer various mist settings, like continuous or intermittent, allowing you to customize your aromatic experience. To keep your diffuser running efficiently, regular maintenance is key. After every few uses, or when changing oils, empty any remaining water. Wipe the reservoir clean with a soft, damp cloth. For a deeper clean, use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to gently clean the ultrasonic plate, ensuring it remains free of oil residue. This simple routine helps prolong your diffuser's life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.